Hi guys, my name is Naz. Thanks for clicking on my video. I hope you're all having a great day. YouTube has recently released an update called Video Chapters, which allows you to break your videos up into sections. In this video, I'll tell you everything you need to know about video chapters. I'll tell you how to use them. I'll tell you how to add chapters to your video, and I'll also let you know what to look out for if video chapters aren't working. So stick around until the end. If you find this video useful, please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to the channel. I'll have video chapters enabled in this video, so you can play around with it and see what it looks like. On a video that has video chapters enabled, you'll see small notches when you hover your mouse over the progress bar. Each of these notches are the beginning of a chapter. You can click on the small notch to go to the beginning of that chapter, or you can click on the timestamp in the video description. The name of the chapter currently playing will be displayed under the progress bar. Video chapters will help viewers by allowing them to quickly skip to the section of the video that they're most interested in. It'll also let them easily rewatch sections of the video. YouTube has made it easy for content creators to add chapters to their video. To add chapters to your video, first go to YouTube Studio by clicking on the channel icon on the top right corner, then click on YouTube Studio. Once you're in YouTube Studio, click on videos, then click on the video you want to add chapters to. In the description, add a list of timestamps and titles for each chapter. Make sure that the first timestamp starts at 0 seconds. As you can see from the timestamps that I've added, it needs to be formatted correctly. It needs to be hour, minutes, then seconds. I've played around with the timestamps to see what works and what doesn't. The way I've added them here, they're all slightly different, but they're all still in the correct format, so they still all work. The timestamps and chapters can't be added in milliseconds, so make sure you keep that in mind when you're planning the video and editing the video. In some of my videos, the chapter begins in the middle of a second. So in that second, is the beginning of a current chapter and the ending of the previous chapter. So when you click on that chapter, you can still hear the ending of the previous chapter and you can hear the beginning of the new chapter. I'll show you an example in the next clip. Turn off your phone to avoid any. Thoroughly wipe off the screen with one of the alcohol wipes that comes with it. This is why it's important when you're planning the video that you keep chapters in mind. Your video should have at least 3 chapters listed in ascending order. The minimum length for a video chapter is 10 seconds, so keep that in mind when you're planning. Once you're done adding the video chapters, save the video, and you should have video chapters enabled on your video. Comment with any questions you have about adding video chapters. Here's a few things you need to check if your chapters aren't working. Make sure that the first chapter starts at 0 seconds. Double check that all of the timestamps are formatted correctly. Make sure there's a space and a title after each timestamp. Check that you have at least 3 chapters and that each chapter is at least 10 seconds long. Let me know if you're still having issues adding chapters. I'll do my best to help you out. Thank you for watching my video. I hope it has helped you out adding video chapters to your video. If you found any of the information in this video useful, please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to the channel. I upload how-tos, tech and gadget review videos. Hopefully I'll see you in the next video.